Hey girls! Today I'm sharing my personal nail care tips that I swear by. Whether you're into minimal nails or bold designs, healthy nails are the key to a polished look. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more self-care and beauty tips, and if you're enjoying this video, give it a big thumbs up. Segment 1. Nail hydration is key. Dry nails break easily. I always apply cuticle oil every night and hand cream throughout the day. Trust me, hydration makes all the difference. Also, once or twice a week, I gently exfoliate my hands to remove dead skin. This helps my creams absorb better and keeps my hands super soft. Segment 2. Shape matters, file don't cut. I learned that filing your nails gently in one direction helps prevent splits. I never cut my nails anymore, a soft file is all I need. Segment 3. Keep tools clean. So easy to forget, but cleaning your nail tools is a must. I wipe them with alcohol after every use. It prevents infections and keeps your nails healthy. Segment 4. Let them breathe sometimes. I love nail polish, but I give my nails a break every few weeks. A polish-free week lets them recover and grow stronger. Segment 5. Use a nail strengthener. One of my must-haves is a good nail strengthener. I use it as a base coat or on its own. It helps reduce peeling and makes my nails so much stronger. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. Taking time for your nails is a form of self-love. Stay kind to yourself and keep glowing. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips.